Yo, check this out, nigga. Some more motherfucking West Coast shit, nigga. From LA to the whole damn yay. It's going down, nigga. MC Ren up in this motherfucker, man.
Shit. You know how we do, nigga. We do what the fuck we wanna do. On the West Coast, nigga. The best coast, nigga. Alright. I mean, this is nothing pimpin'. You know what I'm saying? So, what the fuck we gonna do, man?
Call my nigga Banks, nigga. Put this shit down on y'all punk ass like this.
Now here's a toast to the West Coast. For all the rhymers, the timers, pimps, and grinders, crimers, and just those who put they Mac down all in the streets. And the true boss players ballin' for keeps. But it's a lot of those no hustle ass niggas acting like hoes. Shit, I suppose, is you blind? Nigga, what you gon' do, dummy? You better grind, you acting like you scared of money. I can show you how to stack chips and get your cash on fucking with this rap shit. But you bang to the game, you put your piss first. Steady tripping with the next nigga got it, only gets worse.
You wanna wait for in a hustle, busy hating with your hoe. You planning villain functions, my shit ain't out of escrow. Thinking you supposed to have the status I got. Legendary, you not. How many fucking years you got? Sit around on your ass while the villain be grinding. Criminal minded, getting that cheese. Nigga, please, I'ma squeeze both my nuts. Do for self, give a fuck about somebody else. Gotta hustle.
Get your hustle, baby.
I only live